Hey guys, welcome to my channel Power BI with Rosh. My name is Rosh and today we are going to learn how to get list of dates between any two dates in Power BI. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you look at the example on the screen, you can see that I have got a table for machine runtime. I have only got one record that says machine 1 ran from start time from January 1st until the end time, January 15th. Now I wish to get all the dates between these two dates so that I can get the dates on which the machine was running. I want to get other machines' runtime data as well and want to see on a particular date how many machines were running and how many were not. Firstly, let's create a custom column. I will name the column as dates. Now in Power Query, we have a lot of helpful list functions. Do check out Microsoft's mQuery reference guide to look into all the available list functions. In this example, we are going to use a list function called List.Dates. List.Dates function takes three arguments: a start date, count, and step. Start date is the date we want the list to begin with. Count is the number of days we want the list to be generated for. And step is the duration between two dates in the list. Please note, you will need to use the hash duration function to specify your duration. Now, for our example, we have the start date. For the count value, we need the number of days between our start date and end date. We can get that number by using function duration.days. We will subtract our end time with start time to get the days between. Now, if we want to include our end date in our list of dates, we will need to add one at the end. You can ignore adding one if you wish to exclude the end date. Now, for our final argument, we do want every dates between the two dates. So, I am going to specify 1 as my duration. After I have passed my duration value, I will select OK and view the results of my custom column. I can see that my result is of list type. Now all I need to do is select the expand icon at the top right and select expand values to new rows. And there we go. We have all the dates between our start time and end time. In my other table named all machines runtime, I have already got list of dates between for all machines. You can also see I have a date table created. I can now create a relationship between my date table and my machine's runtime table and get my runtime results for any particular date or for any date range.